Namaste. So we'll start from the beginning, okay? Keep your audio on a mute. We'll start. ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभासितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् देवमुनिप्रवरार्चितलिङ्गं कामदहं करुणाकरलिङ्गं रावणदर्पविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् सर्वसुगन्धसुलेपितलिङ्गं बुद्धिविवर्धनकारणलिङ्गं सिद्धसुरासुरवन्दितलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. Okay, so most of you in your audio recordings that I had received, so in the first stanza, second line, it is Nirmala Bhasita. It is not Bhashita. It's a Bhasita. Okay, and similarly, first stanza, third line, Janma Jadukka Vinashaka. It's Vinashaka in the first stanza. In the second stanza, it's Ravana Darpa Vinashana. So first stanza is a Vinashaka, second is a Vinashana. Okay, so just observe that for the next one. So we'll start with the fourth stanza now. Yes. Keep your handouts with you. So if you have any doubt, you can just look into that one. So we'll start with the fourth one. Kanaka. Repeat the word 3 times. Kanaka, Kanaka, Kanaka. Mahamani. Mahamani. When you say ni, your tongue tip has to touch up. Mani. Mahamani. 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 Bhushita. Bhu. Stress the bhu. Bhushita. 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 Lingam. Okay, we'll repeat the line. Kanaka. Mahamani, Bhushita, Lingam. Very good. Kanaka, Mahamani, Bhushita, Lingam. So we'll say the entire line. Kanaka, Mahamani, Bhushita, Lingam. Repeat. Kanaka, Mahamani, Bhushita, Lingam. Last one more time. Kanaka, Mahamani, Bhushita, Lingam. Very good. Any doubt in the first line? Okay, we'll go with the second line. Okay. Phani. So, pha, you have to press it. Pha. Ni, phani, 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 phani. Very good. Phani pati, phani pati. Repeat 3 more times. Phani pati, phani pati, phani pati. 2 more times. Phani pati, phani pati. Veshtita, veshtita. Veshtita. 3 more times. Veshtita, veshtita, veshtita. 2 more times. Veshtita, veshtita. Very good. Shobhita. B, press it. Shobhita. Shobhita. 3 more times. Shobhita, 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 Lingam. Very good. We'll say the line slowly. Phanipati, Veshtita, Shobhita, lingam. Very good. Phanipati veshtita shobhita lingam. Very good. Phanipati veshtita shobhita lingam. We'll say completely. Phanipati veshtita shobhita lingam. Very good. So now we'll say first line and the second line. Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Phanipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam. We'll repeat one more time. Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Phanipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam. Very good. We'll go with the next line. Daksha. Daksha. 3 times. Daksha, Daksha, Daksha. 2 more times. Daksha, Daksha. Suyagnya. Suyagnya. So nya is like a sound of a meow. So when you say meow, so the nose will go up, right? It will go like this. So similarly, when you say yagnya, your nose has to go up. Nya. You should feel that nose vibration. Okay? Suyagnya. 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 Very good. We'll put it together. Daksha Suyagnya. Daksha Suyagnya. Daksha Suyagnya. 2 more times. Daksha Suyagnya. Daksha Suyagnya. Vinashana Lingam. Vinashana Lingam. Vinashana Lingam. Very good. So we'll repeat the third line. Daksha Suyagnya Vinashana Lingam. Okay, we'll repeat from the beginning now. Okay. Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Phanipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagnya Vinashana Lingam. 4th line we all know. Tat pranamami sadashiva lingam. We'll say the 4th stanza now. Slowly I'll take it with the tune. Try to follow, okay? Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Phanipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagnya Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadashiva Lingam. We'll say one more time, okay? Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Phanipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagnya Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadashiva Lingam. Any doubt in the 4th stanza? Any line, anyone you want me to repeat? Okay, very good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Ahana. You have a doubt?
Ma'am, how to pronounce second line, second letter?
Phanipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam. You want me to repeat once again? Phanipati Pati वेष्टित
वेष्टित
शोभितलिङ्गम्.
शोभितलिङ्ग.
Very good. Okay. So we'll go with the fifth one. Okay. Kunkuma. 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 So in your handout it is kumkuma. So do not say kum, say kunkuma. So you have K-U-M. So just make it K-U-N. Okay. Kunkuma. Kunkuma. Chandana. 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 Kunkuma Chandana. Kunkuma Chandana. Together. Kunkuma Chandana. Kunkuma Chandana. Kunkuma Chandana. Kunkuma Chandana. Lepita. 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 Very good. Now we'll say all the three together. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Okay, Janvi, what is the doubt, ma?
Ma'am, you told Kumkuma, what is the change?
Okay, the change is you have in the handout K-U-M. Make it K-U-N.
Yes.
N. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, pa. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. We'll say it faster. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Faster. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Faster. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Last time faster. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. Very good. So we'll go with the second line. Pankaja. 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 Hara. Hara. We'll say it together. Pankaja Hara. Pankaja Hara. Pankaja Hara. Pankaja Hara. Pankaja Hara. Very good. Sushobhita. 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 Sushobhita Lingam. Sushobhita Lingam. Sushobhita Lingam. Sushobhita Lingam. Sushobhita Lingam. Sorry. Sushobhita Lingam. We'll say from the beginning. Pankajahara. Sushobhita Lingam. Pankajahara. Sushobhita Lingam. Pankajahara Sushobhita Lingam. Pankajahara Sushobhita Lingam. Comfortable with the second line? So there is a two letters, sa and a sha. So there will be a lot of confusion, tongue twister kind of a thing when you pronounce. Okay. So be little comfortable when you say Sushobhita Lingam. Okay. So we'll come to the third line. Sanchita. 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 Papa. Sanchita Papa. Vinashana Lingam. Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Faster. Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Very good. So we'll say it from the beginning. Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam Pankaja Hara Sushobhita Lingam Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam. Fourth line we all know. Tat pranamami Sadashiva Lingam. So we'll say with the tune, slowly try to follow the lines. Okay? Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam. पङ्कजहार सुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. We'll repeat once again, little faster. कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहार सुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. So when you say Shobhita, Bhi needs to be pressed. Shobhita. So comfortable? So with the fifth stanza, we'll go with the sixth one. Very good. Okay. Deva, 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 Ganarchita. Ganarchita. When you say na, tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Ganarchita. So we'll say it together. Deva Ganarchita. Deva Ganarchita. Faster. Deva Ganarchita. Deva Ganarchita. Deva Ganarchita. Two more times. Deva Ganarchita. Deva Ganarchita. Sevita Lingam. Sevita Lingam. Sevita Lingam. Faster. Sevita Lingam. Sevita Lingam. Sevita Lingam. Sevita Lingam. Very good. First line, Deva Ganarchita Sevita Lingam. Deva Ganarchita Sevita Lingam. Very good. Deva Ganarchita Sevita Lingam. Last time, Deva Ganarchita Sevita Lingam. Very good. Second line, Bha Vair. Bha present. Bha Vair. Bha Vair. Bha Vair. Bha Vair. Bhakti. Again press the Bha. Bhakti. 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 Together. Bhavair Bhakti. Bhavair Bhakti. Bhavair Bhakti. Last two more times. Bhavair Bhakti. Bhavair Bhakti. Bhirevacha. Again Bhi you have to press. Bhirevacha. 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 Bhirevacha Lingam. Bhirevacha Lingam. We'll say it together. Bhavair Bhakti. Bhirevacha Lingam. Very good. Bhavair Bhakti. Bhirevacha Lingam. Very good. Dinakara. Dinakara. Koti. Koti. Dinakara Koti. Dinakara Koti. Dinakara Koti. Prabhakara. Bha present. Prabhakara Lingam. Prabhakara Lingam. Prabhakara Lingam. Very good. Dinakara Koti. Prabhakara Lingam. So we know the fourth line. We'll start from the beginning. Okay. Deva Ganarchita Sevita Lingam Bhavair Bhakti Bhirevacha Lingam Dinakara Koti Prabhakara Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadashiva Lingam. So we'll say with the tune, okay? Devaganarchita भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गम् दिनकरकोटि प्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. We'll say a little faster. देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भावैर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिनकरकोटि प्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. Very good. So we'll start from the fourth stanza. Okay, we'll say it slowly. Okay, I'll take another 2 more minutes. Okay. कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं फणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहार सुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भावैर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिनकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. Comfortable? Can we take it a little faster now? Yes, we'll try to take a little faster. कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं फणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहार सुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भावैर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिनकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. Comfortable? Anyone has a doubt? Diksha, you have a doubt? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6th para, 2nd line, can you repeat, ma'am?
भावैर भक्ति
Bhakti
भिरेव च लिङ्गम्.
bireva cha lingam.
Comfortable?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pa. Yes. Anyone has a doubt? No one has a doubt. Very good. Okay then. So I'll send you the recording. So please practice and send it to me. Okay. So you can record 4, 5, 6 or you can record from 1 to 6. So whichever you want, you can try. If you want to try 1 to 6, you can try. If you want to try from 4 to 6 also, you can try. Okay. Okay, then we'll end the session. Join the hands. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. Okay. So whoever have missed today the chanting will chant tomorrow. Okay. Ishan and Divan will chant tomorrow. The first 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Namaste.